Then the lowercase f. This line. Then the letter G. The uppercase G. Start from here. Then the lowercase G. Letter H. Then the lowercase h. Start from here. Then the letter I. The letter I goes slowly. Then the lowercase I. Dot. What about the dot? Then the letter J. Go. Continue with the letter J. Start from here. Good. Then the lowercase J. The lowercase J. Then K. This line. What about this line? Then lowercase k. Next. Wait, excuse me. Look at here. Then letter L. Then M. Lowercase m. Oh, excuse me. Give me your hand. Look at here. Watch what you're doing. Go. Letter M. Do like that. Next. Letter M. Lowercase n. O. A circle. Oh, then a lowercase o. P. And next is the letter P. Excuse me. Do it again. Go. Hold your pencil. Go. Continue with the letter P. P. Go. Then the lowercase p. This line. Then Q. Lowercase q. Then R. Uppercase R. Then the lowercase r. Excuse me. Give me your hand. Okay, watch what you're doing. Go. Continue with the letter R. S. Lowercase s. T. How about this line? Lowercase t. See, continue. Then U. Excuse me. Do it again. Next, uppercase U. How about this line? Then the lowercase u. V. White. Lowercase v.
9.
Then W.
White.
Lowercase w.
White.
X.
White. 9.
Lowercase x. Y. Oh, excuse me. Do it again. Give me your hand. Continue with the letter Y. Then the lowercase y. Z. Oh. Last one, lowercase z.
We
Good
did
job.
it.
High five. High five.